Napa siya space diri dapita sa sulod. So you can actually easily breathe using this mask, guys. So don't forget, it's AirQueen. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margrette, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping the notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. So today I'll be talking about another type of face mask that you can use amidst this pandemic to avoid being contaminated with the coronavirus. So the name of this product is AirQueen. Have you heard about it? So if not, this is actually a product from Korea, and it's a US FDA approved mask, and it is made of nano fiber filter using advanced nanotechnology, which makes it reusable even after sanitizing it 10 times. So you can actually sanitize this product 10 times before you throw it away. From the usual surgical mask that you buy, which you throw after one use, you can sanitize this 10 times and then throw it away after. So it has great permeability, meaning you can easily breathe using this product, but it still has the N95 level of filter performance. It's also approved by the European SGS, REACH, and ROHS. Okay, so as a result of joint research by Postec and Shinshu University in Japan, it was found the efficiency of nanofiber mask remains almost the same even after 10 reuses after spraying with ethanol. So it is best to use ethyl alcohol in sanitizing this kind of mask, but if you don't have ethyl alcohol, isopropyl will also do. So spray some alcohol around the mask inside and outside, and then air dry it for at least an hour. So you can also soak it in ethyl alcohol for 5 minutes and then air dry it for 1 hour. If it has visible stains, you can brush it with soft bristles and dishwashing liquid only on those areas which has stain. And please don't use detergent and other strong chemicals, and please don't wash it the same way that you do with clothes. Kanang kuso-kusoon ganin ninyo, please avoid that. So I'm gonna be opening this mask. I'll be showing you how it looks like. There are actually instructions at the back. It's in English and Korean, so it's easy for you to understand. Every pack of AirQueen has only one piece of nanofiber filter mask. It's thin and light, it's nanofiber filter and ergonomic design. So let's go ahead and check it out. So this is how it looks like. Okay, right, and you can see in front naadto siya AirQueen brand, and then it still has the kanang plastic gani so that it will fold when you squeeze it sa imong nose para cover jud ang imong nose area. So I think you need to pull this up here. So ingani ni siya first, right? You need to pull this up here para kani sa imong nose area and pull this down here. Para yan na siya. And they're strapped, so you don't need to worry. Okay, so secured ang imong chin and pinch sa imong nose para way makalusot na bacteria, virus diha na area. Okay. Tinuod siya, guys, as in breathable ra ang iyang fabric or ang iyang material. Unlike the surgical mask that you buy, it has space inside so air can circulate. If you notice that on napa siya space diri dapita sa sulod. So you can actually easily breathe using this mask, guys. So don't forget, it's AirQueen. It has great permeability, as I said a while ago, so you can easily breathe with this mask, and you can reuse it 10 times as long as you spray it with ethyl alcohol inside out. Okay, so if you want to purchase this product, you can refer to the description box. We actually have AirQueen Visayas who's distributing this in Cebu. Nindot siya, guys. I love the design, and I can really breathe. You know that I'm asthmatic, and nindot siya. Makaginhawa ako niya. I'm asthmatic and I have hard time breathing when I use surgical masks, but This kind of mask makes me easily breathe, and I really love it. So if you have any questions about this product, please leave them in the comments, or you can also directly message AirQueen Visayas. I'll be showing the link in the description box. So Monisha, I really love it, guys. Wala ko maglisod og ginhawa. Alright? So I hope you found this vlog informative and helpful. Once again, the name of this mask is AirQueen from Korea. I hope you liked it and learned something from my vlog. If you liked it, please do leave a like, and also if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you want to show your support to my channel and see more of my honest reviews, please do tap on subscribe until it turns gray, and also tap on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching this video, lovies. I hope you learned something new today. Do take care and have a great day, lovies. Bye!